Proactive English practice.
Hi, I'm here for the 4 o'clock class.
Welcome. Can I see your gym card?
Sure, here it is.
Great. The class is in room 2.
Thanks. I'm a little late.
You have 5 minutes. You're fine.
Perfect. Wait.
Everything okay?
My bike. I left it outside.
Did you lock it?
I don't think so.
You didn't lock your bike?
I was in a hurry. It's brand new.
Go check it, right now.
It's a blue bike by the door.
Hurry! Bikes get stolen here.
Stolen? Oh no.
Go check it.
I'm going. Please don't be gone. No! No, no, no! Where's my bike?
Are you looking for a blue bike?
Yes. Did you see it?
A guy took it just now.
What? Who?
A young guy in a red cap.
A red cap? Which way did he go?
That way, towards the intersection.
Was he fast?
Very fast. He jumped on and rode away.
Did he look nervous?
A little. He looked back twice.
That's a thief. My bike was new.
I'm sorry. It happened so quickly.
What was he wearing?
A red cap and a dark jacket.
Red cap, dark jacket. Got it.
Go! He went towards the lights.
Thank you. I have to catch him. Lisa, my bike. Someone stole it.
What? Slow down. You're panting.
A guy, red cap, took my bike.
Oh no, where are you?
Running down Main Street.
I'm on the bus near there.
Look out the window.
Okay. What am I looking for?
A young guy on a blue bike.
A blue bike?
Yes, red cap, dark jacket.
Wait, I think I see him.
Where?
Near the traffic lights. On a blue bike.
That's him. That's my bike.
He's turning right.
I'm coming. Keep watching.
I'll get off the bus and help.
Thank you. Hurry.
Excuse me. Can you stop the bus?
The next stop is very close.
It's an emergency, please.
I can't open doors in the middle of the road.
But I need to get off now.
What's the emergency?
Someone stole my husband's bike.
Oh no. Is he chasing the thief?
Yes, on foot. I need to help him.
The stop is 30 meters ahead.
Can you go a little faster?
I'll get you there safely. Hold on.
Thank you. Please hurry.
Here's the stop. Doors opening.
Thank you so much.
Which way did the bike go?
Right at the traffic lights.
Go. I hope you catch him.
Thank you. Bye.
Excuse me. Did you see a blue bike? A blue bike? With a young guy? Yes, red cap. Did you see him? He passed here 1 minute ago. Which way did he go? He turned into that side street. The small street? On the left? Yes, near the flower shop. Was he still on the bike? Yes, riding fast. Did he see you? He almost hit my cart. That's definitely him. Is the bike stolen? Yes, it's brand new. I forgot to lock it. Oh no, always lock your bike. I know. Thank you. The side street. Near the flowers. Got it. Thank you.
Officer, I need help.
What's the problem?
Someone stole my husband's bike.
Can you describe the bike?
It's blue, brand new.
Any special details?
A black seat and a red bottle holder.
Good. Anything else?
A new lock. But he didn't use it.
And the thief?
Young guy, red cap, dark jacket.
Which direction did he go?
He turned right at these lights.
Towards the side streets?
Yes. My husband is chasing him.
Tell your husband not to fight the thief.
He won't. He just wants the bike.
I'll radio my team. We'll look.
Thank you. I'm going to the park.
Be careful. Stay safe.
Excuse me. Do you have cameras outside? Yes. Why? Someone stole my bike. A blue one. When? Just now. A guy in a red cap. Let me check the monitor. Can you see him? Give me a second. Yes. You see him? A young guy. Blue bike, red cap. That's him. Where did he go? He turned into the alley. Which alley? The one near the park. Near the park? Are you sure? Yes, I can see it clearly. Thank you so much. Good luck. Call the police, too. My wife is talking to an officer now. Lisa! The guard checked the camera.
What did he see?
The thief went into an alley.
Which alley?
The one near the park.
The park? I'm going there now.
The police officer helped you?
Yes. He's radioing his team.
Good. Okay, here's the plan.
Tell me.
I'll go to the alley.
And I'll go to the park entrance.
Yes. We'll meet in the middle.
What? It's so loud. Say again?
I take the alley. You take the entrance.
Alley for you, entrance for me. Got it.
If you see him, don't chase him.
I know. The officer said the same.
Be careful. I love you.
Love you too. Go, go!
There it is. My blue bike. Hey, that's my bike. What? No, this is mine. Get your hands off it. Wait. This seat is brown. Yes, brown seat. My bike. Oh no, my seat is black. So this is not your bike. I'm so sorry. I made a mistake. You scared me. Someone stole my bike. It looks like this. Oh, that's terrible. Same blue color. I'm really sorry. It's okay. I understand now. Did you see another blue bike? Actually, yes. A guy in a red cap. Where? He rode towards the park fence. Thank you, and sorry again. Go get your bike. Good luck.
Excuse me? Did you see a blue bike?
A blue bike? Maybe. Why?
A guy in a red cap stole it.
Red cap. Yeah, I saw him.
Where did he go?
He rode into the park. Fast.
Is he still on the bike?
No, that's the weird part.
What do you mean?
He dropped the bike by the fence.
He dropped it?
Yeah. Then he ran away on foot.
Why did he leave the bike?
Maybe he got scared. Police everywhere.
Where's the fence?
Behind those trees. By the bushes.
Thank you so much.
The bike looked new. Go get it.
I will. Thank you. Mark, over here, by the fence.
Lisa, did you find it?
Look, in the bushes.
My bike. It's my bike.
Is it really yours?
Black seat? Red bottle holder? Yes.
Is it damaged?
It's a little dirty. Let me check.
Are the wheels okay?
Both wheels are fine.
And the seat?
The seat is good. Nothing broken.
The lock?
Still here, never used. My fault.
Should we chase the thief?
No. He ran away already.
Good. Don't chase him.
Let's just take the bike.
And tell the police we found it.
Yes. Let's find a park ranger first.
I can't believe we found it.
Thanks to you. And so many kind strangers. Hi. I need to report a stolen bike. A stolen bike? Tell me more. Someone stole it outside the gym. But you have a bike right here. Yes. We found it by the fence. The thief left it? Yes. He dropped it and ran. Can you describe the thief? Young guy, red cap, dark jacket. How old about? Maybe 20. He ran very fast. Which way did he run? Into the park. Then I lost him. Okay, I'll tell park security. There's a police officer nearby too. Good. I'll radio the police. Thank you. I have my bike back. You're lucky. Now lock it. Believe me, I will. Stay safe out there.
What a crazy afternoon.
The craziest. But we did it.
This cold lemonade is perfect.
I needed this. I ran so much.
Look at the bike. Safe and sound.
And locked. Finally locked.
You chased it across the whole city.
The gym, the intersection, the alley.
The park, the fence, the bushes.
So many people helped us.
The witness, the vendor.
The security guard, the skateboarder.
Even the angry stranger helped.
After, I grabbed his bike.
His seat was brown. Yours is black.
That was so embarrassing.
But funny now.
It was all my fault. I forgot the lock.
You were in a hurry.
No excuses. I forgot to lock it.
Did you learn your lesson?
Yes. Always lock the bike.
Next time, lock first, Jim second.
Lock first, Jim second. I promise.
To our bike. And to kind strangers.
To our bike, and no more chases.
Cheers!
Cheers! Is the lock still on?
Yes, Mark, it's locked.
Just checking.